This is Xiaomi's brand new AI glasses. Don't worry, they fit large heads.
This is their packaging, named Xiaomi AI Glasses Monochrome Electrochromic Edition.
Oh, we have a special edition here.
Upon opening, it's a glasses case. You take it out. Oh, it's wrapped in leather. And now the glasses are inside it. This isn't my first time opening it, but we need to go through this ceremonial feeling. This packaging design is quite thoughtful. What accessories are below? A charging cable. And the charging head is actually a Type-C port. There should be a lens cloth inside. Look, wow, I guessed right.
Let's briefly talk about the appearance. The difference from regular glasses is that the temples might be a bit thicker and wider. In this area, you can see a small Xiaomi Gold logo, and at the same time, on the temple of the glasses, there will be an indicator, hey, this is the power switch. The entire glasses, without lenses, weigh 40 grams, which is quite light. You can think of it as a Mi audio glass with a camera added here and a Qualcomm chip built in, so it has some of the intelligent features of Xiaomi.
Now, when I put it on my head, look, a dynamic pop-up appears on the phone and I'm already connected.
In the Mijia Glasses app, you can view its related features.
What is most important about these glasses? Naturally, it's that we start recording directly.
Welcome everyone to my world. The visuals you see and the sounds you hear all come from these AI glasses.
Of course, when you are filming others, there is a small blue light on the glasses to alert others so it won't invade their privacy. Now we have come outdoors. Everyone, take a look. In front of me is the steering wheel of the Xiaomi Suki Ultra. I'm sitting very straight. Ahead is a traffic light. You can feel this image quality. The entire picture is a bit of an ultra-wide angle. Can this image quality reach this 2K level with ES electronic stabilization? Note that the recording time per session can reach 10 minutes, and the total is 45 minutes.
Of course, besides recording videos, you can also use it to take photos, and you might even find that when taking photos, there are actually watermarks. When you finish filming, you just click import in the app and it will go into your album. And this is a photo I took with the glasses with the watermark at the bottom. This is the video we recorded when we went out in the afternoon.
Oh, it's all here.
You play it directly. And the sound comes from the glasses after all, they are audio glasses.
In addition to this, there's another very important feature.
If you're a creator like me and need to use it for live streaming, then pay attention as you scroll down. See right here, you tap. And what can you do directly? Directly switch to the glasses perspective. See that? Now the live broadcast screen. Hey, it's super useful for outdoor streaming, right? There's also a very important function. With these glasses, you can directly call on Xiaomi. And,
Hey, Xiaomi, look, what phone is this in front of me? It will take a photo, then AI will analyze it, and you can hear the sound. Oh, it recognized it. This is the 15 Ultra.
Personally, I think the most practical aspect of this function is that it allows visually impaired people to hear the world. For me, I find it quite important that I can use these glasses to identify calories to help me lose weight. There are also two minor features. One is recording audio, and the other is simultaneous interpretation. What does it mean? I'm wearing the glasses and talking to someone. I speak Chinese, it translates to English, or I speak English, it translates to Chinese. You can show your phone to others, and the sound will be transmitted to your ears. Additionally, because it is an electrochromic model, when I operate on the screen, you see I swipe once, swipe again, and swipe once more. See, did you notice the glasses change? It has 4 adjustable levels. To be honest, I quite like this accessory. Then combine it with the expectation inside, where the camera is filming me. Hey, I use the glasses to film outside and then share it with everyone.
Ha! A tool for creators!